Hello everyone. In this video, we learn how to make a QR code for Google Docs. First step, you must right click between your profile picture and the share button on the top in your right side. Look at my mouse and right click, and from the menu choose create QR code for this page. Click on it. Now you see a QR code and click on download file. As you see, our QR code was downloaded, and click on it. Now you can send this QR code to everyone you want, and that person just with the camera can read this code and URL and access to your document. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel and support us to make more videos. Thanks for watching.